What's the meaning of action on smoking and health? Action on smoking and health. 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 Action on Smoking and Health is an organization dedicated to reducing the harm caused by tobacco use. They work to raise awareness about the dangers of smoking, advocate for stricter tobacco control policies, and support smoking cessation programs. Their efforts have resulted in significant progress in reducing smoking rates and improving public health. The organization has been successful in advocating for policies such as smoke-free indoor spaces, increased taxes on tobacco products, and graphic warning labels on cigarette packages. Overall, the Action on Smoking and Health organization has contributed greatly to reducing the negative impact of smoking on individuals and society as a whole.